What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and in this video we'll be talking about the green metaverse token, or should we say GMT or the Stepn token. I don't know, it doesn't matter. At the beginning it was really called the green metaverse token. I still think that's the idea behind it, but it's now called Stepn. I still remember back in the days when I first analyzed this during these days. Those were great. March and April were actually pretty bullish still this year. Even though it was a bear market. But today I wanted to take a look at GMT again for two reasons. First of all, it was pretty bullish today. But apart from that, it's also been a while since I covered that. And I know a lot of you have held it, hold it, or trade it. So I think it's valuable to take a look at it. If we take a quick look at the statistics of GMT, you can see that the volume is over 200 million. That's good to see. That's also compared to the market cap, that's great. It's about 43%. So there are still a lot of opportunities and it's still being traded a lot, which it always has been. I mean, if you take a look at over the last 3 months at the volume, volume has always been pretty high. I mean, at the lows, it's still been over 100 million, and not a lot of tokens can say that. Definitely with that market cap, it's now ranked number 80. It used to be way higher, but even with number 80, its volume is among way higher ranked cryptos. So that's a great thing to see. If we take a look at the price prediction though, or at my analysis, what you can see is that over the last day and over the last 2 days, we've actually been pretty bullish. But today again, we found resistance here at this strong resistance level at around 81 or 82 cents. And it was predictable that we would find resistance there. This is a very strong resistance level. It's the lower bound of this huge area between 90 and 80 cents. But apart from that, it's also paired up with that 28 EMA and the 236 FIB. So this was just a strong level. So I think we're going to drop down. Luckily for us, we do have a strong support level under us as well, between 75 cents and 70 cents. 75 cents being a strong psychological support level, 70 cents also just being a strong technical level. So what I expect for GMT is pretty simple. I expect us to stay within this range between 82 cents and 70 cents. We could actually get a spike up all the way up to like 85 and 87 cents. I don't think we'll break that. I don't think we'll get anywhere close to getting a bullish breakout with GMT. I think the market for that is way too bearish. And GMT is also not showing any signs of that, all right? So unless something big fundamentals happens, such as Stepn being legal in China again, so unless that happens, that's not going to happen, in my opinion at least. I do think, as I said, we can get that spike up, but then you'll just reach 85 cents and 87 cents, where you got that 50 EMA, the red line, the 382 FIB, two very strong resistance levels. So I don't think we'll break that, but that's what I expect. A consolidation between mainly 70 cents and 82 cents. We might spike up to 85 cents, 87 cents. But I think we'll consolidate at least for the next 4 or 5 days, and then it gets interesting, because I think GMT is going to move along with the market. It has done that a lot lately. So if Bitcoin actually, and that's what I expect, I have a bearish bias on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops down towards if Bitcoin breaks 20,700, so if we drop down to 20,000, that would mean, in my opinion, that we're also going to drop down to 19,000. So if that happens, I think GMT is going to get a bearish breakout out of 70 cents and drop down towards 60 and 55, that level. But that's for the future. I will keep updating GMT as well, so don't worry about that. This isn't sure yet, but it looks to be the most likely scenario in the semi-long term for GMT. Alright, so that's basically my analysis on GMT for now. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye, take care.